So, even with this wide in here, we're not doing this. It's not, when you really want to kick the wrist to the side. Okay? So you're 1, 2, 3, give me a hook. This hewn over is used to hook pretty much at the elbow, and it's a pull. Since you can't pull the drum off the wall, we're gonna shift our body out of the way and expose that line here. Dive long jump. So low side palm strike. 1, 2, 3, kick, and strike. From here, goes back to Quan style like we've been doing. There. The bottom hand runs over to my favorite section, Popeye. Long side. Opie. Quan. Popeye. Long. Popeye. And then reset. Section 5 is pretty easy to do. Okay, come in. So, from that in the chin sandwich. If he gives me any energy, stepping in, there you go. He steps in, get this. See? He presses in, and bonks out. Hold him there. Good. That's this. So, there. He steps in, bridge. There's my shot. Hold on. This teaches how to move your feet side to side. You gotta adjust coming in. Sometimes you gotta step back a little bit. You gotta dip step to the side a little bit. Sometimes you gotta step to the side, step out a little bit, and gain more distance. You learn your footwork here. You translate that to this. When he steps in with that heavy toss out here, I learn how to bridge. Boom. That's your Popeye. He steps in a 10 technique here, I can get that point jump. Boom. Sometimes I have to right after the strike. I may have to get this here first to make him pow. So when this happens here, he flies back. Then I come in, boom. Understand? So what are we working on first? First thing you're gonna do in there is this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all I want to see you do. Kick, here, kick. When we get done with that for about 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you what this is used for. Okay. This ain't it. It even feels awkward doing it here. Yeah. But I can use it if I need to. Right hand in, 1, 2, 3, hook, palm strike. 1, 2, 3, hook, low palm strike. What I want you to do, 1, 2, 3, hook, yeah, hewn style, low palm strike. The hewn style in application is that. See, he's probing in with that heart, with a heavy foot, he's probing in, stepping in with that. When I can't hold that out any longer, when I feel my elbow beginning to crush down on my body, or he's giving me so much energy, I keep my elbow out, but I gotta step back. I hook the arm, I try to keep my elbow in position if I can. I may have to do this. But I roll to a bong type position where I can get his elbow. This is very strong. We played this yesterday in section 4, remember this? Section 4, the John plays this here. Bang. He presses in hard next time. There you go. Defend that hand here. Strike there. Bang. He comes in deep. I don't know how to defend that. There it is. Boom. Boom. So, play the exact same conversation here in section 5. If he steps in hard on this probing hand full style, that's it.